I think the market's really good at pricing in information today that they find out today, but they're very poor at pricing in what that means for earnings tomorrow or the day after. And let's take an example of that. Sellside analysts. One of the things we love to see in research is earnings have been upgraded by 5%, stocks up 5%. Therefore, it's all priced in without actually factoring in. Well, actually, why was there a 5% upgrade, and what does that mean about tomorrow? What is actually going on in the company? What has changed? And so there's often a reluctance to believe that something has actually changed in a business. But you don't just get that on the sell side, you actually get it from management as well. So quite often company management, let's say they've been managing a company that's been beaten up for a number of years and things start to improve, they tend to be very reluctant to come out to market and say, it's all good, back to the races, guys. They're generally very conservative about picking the upside just in case things go wrong, and they're sick of being beaten up, so let's not get too excited. And the market follows them, right? Because the management comes out and is conservative. It actually works the same on the other side, where things have been going really well for a company. It's very hard for people to imagine that things aren't going to continue to be good forever. And despite the fact that all theory and all empirical evidence suggests that just doesn't happen, that eventually all companies go through a poorer period. But when things have been going well and there is a hiccup, the tendency in people is to say, well, that's just a hiccup, it'll be back on track tomorrow. But generally that hiccup says something. It tells you some information, something's changed, something was unexpected, and therefore what does that actually mean? And again, what we find in the majority of cases is that one downgrade or one upgrade is usually followed by another one, because the market didn't want to fully factor in the reasons for that upgrade or downgrade.